Okay, here we have the distortion circuit set up. 9-volt input going into the positive rail, and the negative rail is going to the ground. Transistor, giant capacitor, and here are the diodes. Right now I'm using asymmetrical diode clipping, which gives it a little more fuzz. I took this diode off of a rectifier for Christmas lights. But I'm going to put the other diode back in. Just going the opposite way. Alright, let's see how this thing sounds. First of all, here's the input jack, output jack, true bypass switch. So when it's clicked, it's going from the input to the output. There's no circuit. When it's clicked again, it bypasses the outputs and just goes through the distortion. Here's your gain pot. Right now it cuts out about halfway. I have no clue why. I'm also running multi-sim at the same time, so we can see which parts do what when we affect the circuit. So let's see how this thing sounds. Power on my amp, power on this. Alright, so this is with the bypass sound, you can see. Actually, no, that's not the bypass. So that's the distortion, that's what it sounds like. Here it is clean. Distorted. So I think that's pretty good. I would actually use that on stage. So running a Schecter C1 through a Bugera amp.